Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change Webull password. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to webull.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen and select My Account option. Now, you will be directed to another page. Click on the Settings tab and here you can see Login Password under Security Center section. And you can see a change link here. Click on it. After that, you need to type in your original login password here. After typing in your password, click on Next button. Now, a verification code will be sent. You may need to verify here. Just slide it where it adjusts. Type in the verification code in this field and click on Next button. Now you can change a password. Type in a new password on this field. You need to rewrite your password on this field here. After that, click on Next button. So that is how you can change a password on Webull. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.